Yeah.
Look at that hole.
I know. So I'm here on the first day of demo day. It is super exciting. Everything is getting torn apart. Can't wait to see it all cleared out so that we can start rebuilding it and building the new salon. Well, bridal salon. Actually, this is the bridal salon. Next door, through that wall, which we're opening, that is going to be the rest of the boutique.
Hey, something else.
So this is the wall behind me. We're standing in what will be production. The wall behind me where the store is actually going to be the kitchen. And then there's the restroom right behind. And then behind me this way, through this open door, that is the new bridal salon. Wanted to give you a look at what the space looks like now that it's been mostly demoed. There are a few more things left to do, such as get rid of this old cash wrap, but the ceilings are out. The space is open. So I'm walking through what will be the fitting rooms right here. And then back here will be production. If you know anybody who needs a vacuum seal table, please let me know. Then here will be more production. Our little kitchenette will be there, the restroom through there, and then back through the bridal suite, which is gonna be so pretty. I can't wait to share what I have selected for in here. It's really special and it's gonna be so pretty. Oh, and I have something really fun planned for these old metal windows. They need to be refinished, but it's gonna be super cool. Can't wait to show you.